Hi, this is Brad with Thorogood. Today we're looking at how to clean your boots. First thing you're going to need is a good drink. Once you're all set up, you're going to need some boot oil, possibly mink oil, mink paste. In this episode, I'll be using Black Rock leather conditioner. You also need a clean rag and some warm soapy water and maybe a toothbrush or a horsehair brush. Step 1, remove the laces. Step 2, warm soapy water, clean shop rag. Just clean off any excess dirt or grime on the boot. Make sure to get all areas inside the tongue gusset. Pay special attention to the welt area. Pro tip, if you have a lot of buildup in the welt area, grab a toothbrush, preferably not the one you use in the morning, and just give it a good little brushing. Step 3 here, we got our clean boots, they're dried up. Let's start applying some conditioner. Simply apply with a rag or your hands, and just make sure you get around everywhere on the leather on the upper evenly. Then simply wipe off any excess. After you're done wiping off the excess, just set them out overnight, let them dry out a little bit, put the laces back in, and you'll be ready to go.